How to create a ringtone on Zedge AI. Let's start. So just follow and watch this video till the end. You have to open Zedge like this. And it's going to take me here to the home page or the wallpaper page. Click on AI generator. And I will choose create ringtones and I will click start to create. Right now I will choose if I want a notifications or ringtone, and right now I will describe, for example, I will say alien sound, and I will, this is a suggestion, for example, smooth, sex, upbeat, and I will choose rock. Click right now create and click try for free. Right now it's generating. I will just wait. And let's see right now the result. So this is the result, and let's hear. If you want to save it right now, just click save, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another video.